Okay, first you need to start off by measuring 120 millimeters from the edge of the steel bar. And make sure that you're really accurate with this, and you measure at the top and the bottom, and then you join them up so that you know that you've got a perfectly straight line. Then you're going to use an engineer's square. You're going to push it right up to the edge of the steel bar so you know it's straight. And then using a scribe, you're going to engrave a line into the surface of the bar. So press down quite firmly and you're scratching a line into the surface of the bar. So again, make sure that's 120 millimeters from the end. Okay, and you can see that there's a line there. That's not going to rub off like a pen would. Make sure that you take that line all the way around your bar like that. So join them up every time you do it, and then make sure it joins. Now we're going to start off by using a hacksaw to saw into the bar. So you can see that it slides around a little bit. So you want to start off on a corner, just using a small part of the saw blade. And then as you have got a purchase on it, you want to then start to use the whole length of the saw blade, keeping it nice and straight. So you can see that I'm keeping my saw blade really straight here. So I'm not tipping it forward or backwards, I'm keeping it really level. Now this is really important for your accuracy. So you can see that line is really nice and straight, 90 degrees to the edge. Keep checking as you're sawing the bar, so keep checking periodically that it's nice and straight and it matches those lines that you've scored around the edge. Then once you've cut it, use a file to just level it off at the top. So you can see I'm using that file, I'm lifting it up as I work to the back so that it's nice and level and straight, and I'm not sort of taking more off on one edge than the other. Then once you've done that, measure it again, make sure that it's 120 millimeters in length and that you don't need to take any more off. And then use your engineer's square just to check that each end is level. So there we go. Make sure that you're being really, really accurate and that you're really checking your work all the time.